Yo, good morning guys. The time is already 6:30 and this is how it is now. Yesterday when I arrived here, there is just one that guy with a tent, and this one with the rooftop tent, and that one down there. And now I didn't even notice these other cars that arrived last night. One, two, three, four, five of them. Actually six. There's one more here at the back. Actually, last night there is one car also here, and he immediately built a camp on that side in the dark. Yeah, and he left already. Yeah, and it's very cold this time. My GoPro doesn't work because of the temperature. It says low battery. It's 90% still, but low battery. I tried the second battery, but still not working. And I am using now my Insta360. So basically this Insta360 has the feature of recording 360 degree and the normal videos, and there is this water parts like this in here. I think my shoes is okay to get through. So there is this also travelers, this rental van, and there are three more on that side. They sleep on their van the same like me, and this is where I sleep last time with my Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, a lot of vehicle these days have this kind of rooftop tent. Nice. And this one is a trailer. It's like a house already. This is the camping ground. So fire only in designated fireplaces. Fire must be attended. Please use toilet provided. Yeah, emergency 000. And the name of this place is Blackheath Glen Reserve. Yeah. I don't know the actual temperature this time. Maybe 7-10 degrees. We're going to leave this place now. And today will be the very first time that I'm going to set it to heater. I'm not really sure. So because this one is low and this one is high, and this the I don't know. This maybe is the heater AC. Wind from coming from air from outside. I'm going to check the manual. I have the manual here. The temperature is actually 5.5 degrees centigrade. This one is I'm waiting for this to go, or I just wipe it. Yeah, maybe I just wipe it. I already set the temperature to heat, but very low here. So we are now here in this area, in this road. I don't know the name. Megalom, the name of the area. And yeah, along the way it's actually covered with fogs, clouds. Yeah, so it's like about 50 meters, zero visibility. And even if you can see on that far side, yeah, there is clouds under. Yeah, and I stop here because I noticed that there are many kangaroos on that side. I know you can see them. Yeah, they are down there where it's private property. Yeah, covered with barbed wire. The sun is already there. For sure, if you are on top of the mountain, you're going to see the clouds. You are higher than the clouds. Maybe tomorrow we're going to do that, to see that. Yeah, we keep on going. This is the end of the road, and it's actually private property. But it's actually a little bit confusing. And actually there is a lock here that is easy to remove, similar to the gate in Barrington Tops. It's a little bit confusing because private property is enough for the people not to go in. No trespassing is enough for the people not to go in. But adding stay on farm road looks like it's okay to get in. Yeah, this is still Blue Mountains National Park still. So you can see that the clouds is under there, that one, and the mountain is higher up. Yeah, I wish I can go inside. Let's stay here for a little bit and wait for some more people. Yeah, this place is complicated, so we're not going inside. It is already 8:30, but it's still 50 meters zero visibility here. Okay, we stop here. The name of this place is 6-foot truck. And let's read what this saying. Contrary to what Google and others would have you believe, there is no vehicular access to Cox River. This road ends in private property and lock gates beyond the vineyards. Walking access only to Cox River by a 6-foot truck. So reading this information, I learned that this walking track is actually going to Ginolan Caves. And it's about 45 kilometers of walking. Oh, there is one kangaroo watching for me. Two. There are kangaroos over there. I want to walk that 45 kilometers walk, but I don't want to come back here. Another thing is, I think it's too early to walk because you don't see the distance in 50 meters. Actually, there is another camping ground on that side. I'm going to leave the car over there. So we are here in the barn and I'm basically editing videos. You know, the good thing is there is an internet connection here. There is one bar. The name of this place is Old Ford Camping Ground. So this is how it is here in the campground. There are some picnic table on that side. That toilet doesn't have a flusher, so it means that you're going to see the pieces on the bottom. There's some fire pit. And there is actually a river here. Yeah, the water is really clear, but it's shallow. Very nice. The bottom is kind of rocks. I actually saw one guy, he took some water here. He boiled it, and I think he used it for drinking or eating or cooking. And there is a walking area on the other side. This is actually the camping ground that I was looking for yesterday. But then I saw that flooded area, flooded road, and so I did not continue. But that's actually a wrong way. I don't know, the Google Map sent me on that road. It looks like the water is stagnant, but it's actually moving. You will see it on this side. I need to remove this bike so that I can move properly. And this is going to be the very first time that I'm going to operate this. Yeah. So this will be the very first time also to put this butane gas. I don't know, this is just kind of plug and play. So I'll just open this one. And how to put this? Like this. For sure need to remove the Okay, so I remove this. there is kind of a hole on that side, so this is where to put that. Yeah, you just put it like this, and then put it down. It should be with that one. Okay. Then push and turn. And now there is a fire. But yeah, just very late to figure out this thing. Because the oil will go inside, it will stick on my wall. Oh, no, I'm going to buy a table, and that is where I am going to cook. This place is going to be just for ingredients. And I have this tuna. This one is $1.10 in the Woolworths here in Blue Mountain. Yeah, in the city, this is just 90 cents. Should I also put the sardines? Yeah, I'm also going to put the sardines. This is sardines in tomato sauce. This like this, 2 pieces of fish. Actually 3 pieces of fish. For sure the taste changed already. I'm not sure about the taste now because of the fish tomato sauce. Let's try. Oh, it's delicious. Yeah, that's it. Let's cook. I still have this rice left over from yesterday. Actually, I cooked it 2 nights ago. I ate the other half yesterday, and now I'm going to eat this much. And this is what I have left. Yeah, this is good for 1 meal. And I don't have any more rice. I'm going to cook rice later because I have rice cooker, if you don't know. And of course, after eating, washing. But I don't have dishwashing liquid. So I'm just going to wash it with water. The water is very cold. This one is going to be my dinner, leftover. This is actually a complete set of cooking pot. So basically this is the first one, and then there is this smaller version. You just put inside like that, and then there is this kettle. Just put inside, and then put the lid, and then there is this, not yet, but this one, and then the lid, and then the other lid. So in one set there is a lot of pot, and this one is fit in here. This one is just a gift coming from Roy and Cassie, and this is it.